we're back for the one big tournament that we all keep waiting for the whole year. Whenever we say MFN, the entire crowd goes, MFN 15! We're back on Disney Plus Hotstar. And now what has become one of my favorite venues, the Noida Indoor Stadium, because so many people can come. और जब भी सारे fans यहाँ पे आ जाते हैं, आपको realize होता है कि हमारे सारे जो fighters हैं, उनकी क्या अब social media following होगी और क्या real following हो गई है. और मुझे लगता है कि always मेरा दिल बड़ा खुश हो जाता है क्योंकि हम ये पिछले 4-5 साल की जो journey देखते हैं. My name is Salil और एक बार फिर से मैं बहुत खुश हूँ यहाँ पे आपके साथ इस journey का एक हिस्सा बनने के लिए. They always say tonight is going to be a historic night, but I can feel it. Press conference में जो चीजें हुई and the shots that were fired, I think everything is going to be rocketing today. लेकिन two ladies always make it possible for the fans, for the fighters, for people like me and for everyone involved in the entire MMA circuit. And I want to call them on and have a little chit chat with them. I call them the co-owners of Matrix Fight Night. I call them the two ladies of fight in this country, Aisha Shroff and Krishna Shroff. Ladies and gentlemen, तालियां हो जाए उनके लिए and let's bring them on. That's the reception. This is what we do all this for. So welcome, ladies. You all are looking fantastic as always.
Thank you.
I was just talking about it, ma'am. इतनी बड़ी journey हो गई है. It almost feels 2020 was now. And you know, we are well past into the post-COVID era. Look at the crowds that are coming in. This is what you wanted, the dream, the emotion is alive. How are you feeling right now?
Jai Hind!
Jai Hind!
Jai Hind! Jai Hind! So happy to be here. Look at this crowd, like you say.
Yeah.
It's a dream come true, guys. Thank you for the support. Thank you for turning out to support your fighters. Everything they do for you. So wish them luck. Cheer your hearts out for them. Thank you so much.
You know, you always get a little emotional when you see those fighters out there. जैसे कि सारे आपके बच्चे ही हैं, तो ऐसा कोई favorite होता नहीं है. लेकिन जो technical बातें करते हैं, nowadays, who's perhaps one of the most dangerous ladies around. Krishna, so good to have you back on this. You don't want to pick a fight with her, trust me on this. She really is khatron ki lady, you know what I mean? But when we say technical, Krishna, you know, there's always lots of work that goes on to making the right fight card. Somebody was asking me the other day at the press conference, fantastically evenly matched. Some new names have come back in. Somebody from MFN 1 has come back in as well also. So how did you put all this together?
I mean, this fight card is one of the most spectacular ones we have. I think our co-main especially and main events, they speak for themselves.
Yeah.
They're the co-main and main for a reason. In the co-main event, you know, we have these two guys who are at the top of their division, stylistically the best guys, you know, with their personal styles.
Yeah.
And in the in the main event, we have another legend of Indian MMA making a massive return after 2 years.
Yes, Kantaraj is back.
Of course. MFN is, you know, very grateful to have him, and he's up against our interim champ Chungren, who put on a fantastic show last time. You know, very deserving of the title, and has the opportunity to unify that. So we're looking forward to the co-main and main event 100%. But a lot of the guys on the undercard too are phenomenal new talent that we've found at MFN Contenders. We're looking forward to seeing what they put up as well.
I love the analysis also that you end up doing also for finding out all this. But you know, this is almost like an exam for a lot of people also. One night before, are there any flutters, any butterflies? You know, everyone has their way of either meditating or they do a nice little prayer. I'm going to ask both of you, one night before, what are the thoughts that are running into your head, ma'am?
One night before, there's no time for any thoughts running through my head because it's all about, you know, getting the work done, getting the job done. But the morning I wake up, it's like I'm going to fight that day, you know. And I get these cramps in my stomach and it's like something else altogether. But I wouldn't change this for anything in the world, honestly.
Do you have a ritual before a fight, you know, that you want to keep doing it because we've been so successful?
No, I don't really believe in rituals or anything like that. I just believe in the hard work the entire MFN team puts into this. And, you know, we prove that every single time. Every show's getting bigger and better. And, I mean, you're seeing it right now in front of you.
And for a change, I promise you this wasn't planned. हमारी color coordination भी हो गई है. So I feel so excited. Thank you, ladies. We're gonna go and start this big night. You know, we've all been waiting for it. It's been months and months of fighting, hard work, sacrifices. हर एक fighter बहुत sacrifice करता है अपनी family से दूर रह के, अपने loved one से दूर रह के, और यहाँ पे आके 10 से 15 सेकंड कई बार उतना ही होता है और फिर आपको दिखाना पड़ता है अपना हुनर. So good luck to all the fighters, good luck to all of us, and good luck to our two comms. They're going to be running this completely. Rahul and Arjun, over to you.
Thank you, Salil. What an introduction and what an honor it is to be graced by the two owners of Matrix Fight Night, Aisha and Krishna Shroff. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Matrix Fight Night 15. We are live from the Noida Indoor Stadium in New Delhi and brought to you exclusively by Disney Hotstar. It's a fantastic night of fights. My name is Arjun Chipalkatti and I'm joined on the commentary by Rahul Chabra and the Delhi Don, Jason Solomon. Rahul, we have a fantastic fight card. Top to bottom, we've got 12 preliminary fights culminating in the main event, which is one of the most spoken about main events between Chungran Koren taking on Kantaraj Agasa. Run us through the card, Rahul.
जय हिंद दोस्तों, एक और धमाकेदार फाइट कार्ड को एमएमए फैंस के लिए सजा के लाते हुए ये है MFN 15. हम है लाइव नोएडा इंडोर स्टेडियम से. चलिए देखते हैं फाइट कार्ड की तौर. यहाँ पे सबसे पहली फाइट स्ट्रॉवेट डिवीजन में है, जहाँ पे हमारे साथ होंगी जोजो कुमारी और इनका सामना है आज रेखा चौधरी के साथ. फिर फ्लाईवेट डिवीजन में वी हैव लीमा सोनेप इमचन एंड ही इज टेकिंग ऑन the Russian Sunatolo Azizov. And then the veterans collide in the featherweight division, wherein we've got Dhruv Chaudhary taking on Sher-e-Hind Mohammad Farad. And it's time for some MFN contender graduates to collide in the middleweight division, wherein we've got Akhil Agarwal representing Maharashtra, and he takes on Daniel Demlong. We've got Genus Leshram, who takes a short notice fight against Praveen Wagh, who had a win in the previous edition of Matrix Fight Night. And it's going to be the old blood versus the new blood. Then Govind Ale takes on Arshian Mehman. We've got Himanshu Kaushik, the international Wushuga, taking on Mridul Saikia from Assam.
What a card, top to bottom. It's already so stacked. We've got Abhishek Rana making his return against Neeraj Pangal. Abdul Kaf against Digambar Singh Rawat, who's a beast in the cage. Karan Singh taking on Mandi Prajapati, which you told me, Rahul told me, was a rematch. And of course, my favorite, Pavan Man taking on Sandeep Dahiya, the old two stalwarts. Rahul Thapa taking on Shamanand, which definitely has title implications. And of course, the fight we spoke about, my friend, Kantaraj Agasa versus Chungran Koren. But Rahul, we have to get this party started. MFN 15 is live on Hotstar. Let's get to the first fight of the night.
हम हैं तैयार आज की पहली फाइट के लिए, जो कि है विमेंस MMA में. ये फाइट है स्ट्रॉवेट डिवीजन में, जहां जोजो कुमारी कोबरा क्वीन के सामने होंगी रेखा चौधरी.
Oh, ladies and gentlemen, we are live! Good evening and welcome to a night of world-class martial arts. Live from the Noida Indoor Stadium, this is the Matrix Fight Night! Ladies and gentlemen, making her way to the cage, Jojo Rajkumari.
Jojo Rajkumari, also known as the Cobra Queen, representing Manipur here. This 28-year-old is coming back to the MFN platform. She's 2-3 in her career record, wherein she's got 2 wins, 3 losses. She made a career debut at MFN 6 against Pooja Tomar, had continuous 2 wins at MFN 7 and MFN 9. The last 2 fights have been pretty disappointing for her, Arjun, wherein she's not been able to get the wins. She lost to Priya Sharma at MFN 10 and against Sonam at MFN 12. Both of them were unanimous decisions. Now, थोड़े बहुत changes यहाँ पे जोजो ने किए हैं अपने game में. For the first time, she went outside India to run a camp. She trained at Soma MMA in Bali, and she's been hustling for the last couple of months to make a comeback here tonight at the MFN 15 platform.
My friend Rahul, that was the best description for Jojo Kumari. Even she would think back and say that's a good explanation of a career that she's had. She's made a fantastic career so far at Matrix Fight Night, and she continues to do so. But tonight, her keys to victory are very straight. She's got great striking, but we saw her struggle on the ground against her previous against Sonam Zonda. But she needs to keep her shots tight, use her speed, cut those angles, come in with those heavy strikes, and bring the fight to opponent. She needs to be first, because the kind of fighter that she's taking on is a young, hungry phenom in Rekha Chaudhary, who I saw fight earlier this year. She is a behemoth. Jojo, though, comes in with that significant experience, Rahul, and it's going to be the factor that takes the cake here. It's going to be the factor that plays the most important part in this fight.
अर्जुन, इनके जो दोनों विन्स थे वो फर्स्ट राउंड फिनिशेस थे. इन्होंने MFN 7 में इशिका थिटी को फर्स्ट राउंड में आमबार के द्वारा फिनिश किया, और उसके बाद MFN 9 में इन्होंने मैरी जेन पूना को TKO किया. अर्जुन, ये फाइट देखने वाली हो सकती है, क्योंकि ये विमेंस स्ट्रॉवेट डिवीजन में है, जहां पे टाइटल MFN का अभी वेकेंट है. ये वही डिवीजन है जिसने भारत से पूजा तोमर को UFC तक पहुंचाया.
Exactly. I mean, it's such it's a heavy division. It's a heavy division, and all the fights now have title implications, like Krishna Shroff said yesterday. We can't wait to get this fight started.
Well, let's get the party started. We've got the ball rolling. Here, Jojo Kumari, the Cobra Queen, inside the cage now.
And her opponent, Rekha Chaudhary.
और आज की डेब्यूटेंट यूपी के खुर्जा से 21 वर्षीय रेखा चौधरी. Arjun, she is the kind of talent that I'm really looking forward to. And as Krishna said, you know, she's always on a hunt for amazing talent, and she represents one. Only 21 years of age, और इनके नाम पे बहुत सारे खिताब हैं. यदि आप इनका बॉक्स रेक चेक करोगे, इनके 4 विन्स and 0 defeats हैं प्रोफेशनल बॉक्सिंग में. काफी इन्होंने फाइट्स खेली हैं लोकल सर्किट में, जहां पे इनका करियर रिकॉर्ड है 1 win and 0 losses. She's the college, the university champion when it comes to boxing, kickboxing, grappling, and comes in from a very humble background. So tonight is the day when our debutant Rekha Chaudhary really has some power or not will be shown at this platform tonight.
No, I mean, Rekha Chaudhary was an incredible find by Matrix Fight Night. And I'm telling you, this girl, this athlete that I found 2 years ago, the minute I saw her, I knew she was a piece of coal waiting to turn into a diamond. The kind of skills that she possesses, the fact that let's all remind the fans one thing: she did not make weight for her fight. Her opponent has accepted the fight because of her level of sportsmanship and the fact that she knows she needs to put on a show here tonight. But don't forget for a second, even if Rekha, no matter what she does, she needs to fix her weight issues. She needs to figure out her weight divisions whenever she wants to fight. But tonight she has a chance to put on a very, very big stance here. Her explosive hands and her footwork. I've seen her. She's a marauder. She will rush forward without caring. She will take punches to step into the pocket, land a few shots, and take you down and ground and pound you, which I think on the ground is one weakness that Jojo Kumari might have.
Well, she's got massive experience fighting in the local circuit. However, let's see how she fares tonight under such bright lights.
So, Jason, you know what it's like to take your debut in an organization. You know what it's like to come in and step in for the first time.
It's an amazing feeling. I can't even describe it in words. Unless you've experienced it in real life, it's something that, you know, you really can't put that into words at all.
Ladies and gentlemen, fighting out of the blue corner, she weighed in at 52.2 kilograms, representing Manipur. Give it up for the Cobra Queen, Jojo Kumari! And her opponent fighting out of the red corner. She weighed in at 54.10 kilograms, representing Uttar Pradesh. Make some noise for Rekha Chaudhary! Ladies and gentlemen, as the chaos begins, the man in charge, Ranjit.
Blue. Red. Follow my instruction all the time. If I say stop, stop the fight. If you want to touch gloves, back to your corners. Blue.
Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Matrix Fight Night 15. If you're just joining us, you are joining us live on Disney Hotstar, and the gates are open, so come take your seats at the Noida Indoor Stadium as we get set for the first fight of the evening in the strawweight division. The women are opening the show. Jojo Kumari taking on the debutante Dhruv, Rekha Chaudhary. My name is Arjun Chupagati, joined by Rahul Chabra and Jason Solomon, and here we go.
चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज की पहली फाइट जो की है स्ट्रॉवेट डिवीजन में, और यहाँ पे जोजो कुमारी डिस्टेंस नापती हुई एक इनसाइड किक मारने की कोशिश. Both these
looks like a tough fight for these guys so far, feeling each other out nice and easy with some strikes. Jojo's landing a few more leg kicks. Obviously she got more well-rounded skill with the striking.
She definitely is, but Rekha is the heavier opponent. You can see immediately closing that distance. And good strategy by Jojo, bringing that fight to the ground instantly.
Oh yeah, that was a nice head kick, but Jojo took it like a champ. Straight away ran in for the takedown, but great scramble. Both fighters back on their feet. Nice clinch, nice knee. Ooh.
Oh, look at that. Rekha Chaudhary puts her hands up, but what I like about her is she's cutting the cage off instantly. She's cutting her off and she's bringing the pressure. But Jojo is now slowing down the pace. She's slowing down the pace and waiting for Rekha to come in. She's looking to land that counter. She's looking to land that strike that will get her respect.
Nice. Very nice counter, very nice clinch. Both these fighters giving it their all.
Yeah, Rekha Chaudhary, though, in the black trunks, just stepping forward and trying to find that counter, trying to cut that cage off.
No, very nice combo. Nice leg kick. Both of these fighters taking their time, pacing themselves. Definitely putting on a good show. Nice inside leg kick there by Jojo.
I like the way she's landing those leg kicks. Oh, nice head kick there.
Beautiful combination. Great head kick there.
But she needs to watch out. She tried a good judo trip there a second ago, but good hits by Rekha.
Down, but Rekha's still in it. Don't count her out. She's a boxer.
Oh, Rekha is much more than a boxer. She's in fact working on a wrestling, a Muay Thai. She's picked up some great skills from the Warriors Cove camp where she's trained. Is that right, Rahul?
Yes,
That's where she's been training.
Oh,
nice. Very nice combination. Her boxing is coming into play here.
Her hands dropped. Well, Jason, if you look at both these ladies, they're fighting in the opposite stance. Who do you think has the advantage here?
Whoever's got the inside angle, obviously. If you're fighting on the same stance, both fighting, or the opposite stance, if you're on the outside, you have a better angle.
The one thing that you can see significantly is that the technique is much cleaner for Jojo. She's landing the better shots, she's landing the better strikes, but Rekha is the heavier, stronger fighter. Every time she lands a punch, she definitely wakes her up.
Whoa!
No, you can definitely see Jojo's better with her kicks because she's got more experience. Rekha's better with the hands, I think, for sure.
There we go.
And she's a lot stronger.
Yeah.
She's not being able to be pushed around. But Jojo's not used to this strength here.
But that's the thing here. That's what we discussed earlier. The fact that Jojo, the biggest weakness I would say Jojo would have was her inability to get off her back. She's had trouble with that in the past, and so far she's defended it perfectly. Rekha taking her time though, picking her shots, very different from the fighter that I saw 2 years ago.
No, they're figuring each other out. They're still getting the angles now. They're getting some good counters.
Oh man, it's a slugfest.
Getting a little bit more aggressive. Nice uppercuts, nice hook.
Big shots.
Putting on the pressure. She's got Jojo on the back foot, that's for sure.
Big shots by Rekha there as she tries to close that distance, and the pressure is significant.
Whoa.
Beautiful
Nice
counter, straight left.
Right. She tries again with another one, misses it. A nice clinch.
But the chin on Rekha, man. She's got her stumbling on the fence.
Reka's hands are very clean. She's landed some good shots on JoJo, but JoJo's staying in there.
Her chin, though, man.
Oh my gosh, she's a champion.
Her
she's
chin.
not letting it affect her at all.
Her chin, those shots she took, those clean straight lefts she took from JoJo are making no impact. And on return, immediately, we talked about this big shot,
nice
big left hook, dropped her.
JoJo's just in defense mode. She's scrambling. She's trying her best to survive right now. Reka looks like she's in full control, dominating this fight.
और यहाँ पे रेखा ने ड्रॉप कर दिया था जोजो को. बहुत ही घातक हो सकता है जोजो के लिए. यहाँ पे थोड़ी सी टायर्ड लग रही हैं. But both these ladies back on their feet once again.
I'm just glad she got out of that scramble so beautifully.
Looks like a slugfest here. Looks like a slugfest.
Honestly, very good technique. Both fighters are taking their time. They're throwing heavy shots.
Oh, hang on. Did she get cracked?
Oh, she did.
Got countered. She got countered.
Man.
But hang on, she's not out of it. She's still on her feet.
Oh,
she's hurt. She's hurt. Wow, but good recovery from Reka.
Nice recovery. Kind of close there, but I think Ranjit's got it.
Oh, man.
Reka's still in this fight.
That's great refereeing, though.
What a first round. Oh,
Brilliant.
my God. Welcome to Matrix freaking Fight Night, you guys.
Man, what a round and what a start to this fight. Incredible action. JoJo versus Reka. We could not have asked for a better fight.